Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Emmanuel here, and I'm here with another video on a project that pays you for ton transactions. So before that, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment in the comment section. And of course, you can join our WhatsApp community where we discuss everything airdrop. So firstly, the name of the project is Sigma. So Sigma Coin is the name of the project. So firstly, what you have to do is you have to connect your ton wallet. So I will show you that in a minute, but firstly, this is my main account, and once you connect your ton wallet, it's going to scan the day that you did your first transaction. As you can see right here, my first ton transaction on this ton keeper application was ton wallet on this ton wallet rather was on the 25th of August 2024 by 11 p.m. So the total number of transactions I've done so far is 397, and my total turnover is 96 ton. Average daily wallet balance is 0.17 ton. So of course, what I have to do here is receive the tokens that I was rewarded with. I got 5,000 tokens. So as you can see, this is my wallet. So what you have to do is just just connect the wallet to it and then let it scan. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Then you complete this tasks. They are quite easy. So, and then you can invite friends and you get 50 points for each friend you invite. Of course, if you invite one friend, you are going to get 200 as a start. So let me just show you how it's done by going to my second account to show you something. So here is my second account, and I'm trying to just show you the step-by-step guide for a new user, of course. So this is what you are going to do. Once the app loads, you are going to see welcome, discover largest ton wallet on Telegram, and boost your Sigma earnings token. This is the Sigma sign, of course. So first step, you have to connect your ton wallet. So what you have to do is connect your ton wallet. Of course, you can either use the Telegram wallet, anyone that you know that you made the most transaction in, just connect it so that you can boost your allocation. So once you do that, you click on, for me personally, I use ton keeper, so I go to ton keeper wallet. Once my ton keeper opens, I'm going to select, because I use different I have different wallets, of course, for different accounts and for different purposes. So I'm going to select the one that I use usually for this my account. So here I'm going to connect the wallet, and I'll enter my PIN passcode. So I've entered my passcode, and it's going to take me back to my Telegram app. So I'll go to Telegram, and as you can see, it's loading. Once it gets connected, okay, so it has connected. They are looking for transaction of my first transaction on ton, and they are calculating my total turnover, and they are also checking my current wallet balance. So these are the three major criteria. So let me just check. My first transaction was on the 3rd of September on this account, and my total turnover is 3 ton. My daily average is 0.00 ton, and I received 370 coins. So I received the token. So here I can perform the tax, with all these tasks, and get rewarded, of course. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can also join our WhatsApp community, which I will be dropping all the links in the description and the pinned comment of this video. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. All the links are in the description and in the pinned comment. You can also check out other videos on the channel.